Today I'm going to go over how to varnish. I use Liquitex Professional Gloss. The link is down in the description. As you saw, it went by quick. Your paint pour has to be completely dry. And if you're not sure, just wait a few more days. I'm doing two types, a thick gloss coat and a thin gloss coat, and a couple others you'll see. But the main thing is I want to see how it dries, if it cracks. My basic motto is thicker canvas. On the sides there you'll see later. Thicker coat, thinner board, thinner coat. On some of the thinner boards they can warp. I know with paint pours they definitely can warp. I was lucky. I did a swipe on the one that you'll see coming up, and that one didn't warp, which I'm absolutely shocked about, but it kind of showed me that you can use them, I guess. I only use them for practice because they have warped on me all the time. So now that it's mainly laid down, I am barely touching the brush to the painting. It's just like floating over it. Try to keep it in one direction, and then the next coat will go in the opposite direction. Pretty much it's all just watching, popping bubbles. You can do it by hand too, which you'll see that I do that. Get the edges, and I'll let you watch.
One step away from having it all. Boyfriend, girlfriend, fancy car. You're insatiable, and that's true. You just want more. Climbing mountains, crushing your goals, but you put your happiness on hold. Still waiting to start living. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body go. Live your life like you're winning. You don't need no pressure in it. You've been struggling too long. Now it's time to move on. And tell the truth like you mean it. Listen to yourself and hear it. And you'll start to remember how to surrender. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Yeah. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy. It's so crazy. Let your body.
This is my thin board. I used a swipe pour. I think that's why I saved it from not warping, which I actually didn't expect, but my camera shut off, so this is the actually second coat. First one I'm showing that one way thin coat is how I did this one. There's a dreaded one drip that was a little bubble and I popped it, so you just put a little drop right down in the top of it. And it kind of flattens down at the end so you don't really see it, which is great. I like how this stuff works. My second coat here, and it is done in the opposite direction.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty